Okay, 5-65 is pretty straightforward. We just need to use this table, complete the table in part A, and then find the rule. Okay, well, let's see. From -1 to +1, I know that's an increase of 2, and it increases the y, or output, by 4. Okay, so it looks like each time is increasing by 2, so that means we should be increasing by 4 each time. Okay, 1 plus 4 is 5, and we'll double check here. 5 it's plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, so it looks like it's good. So this is going to be 13, and we're going to go back, since we're decreasing by 2, we're going to go back 4 units. So this is going to be -7, and this is going to be -11. Okay. For as far as the rule, okay, well, we know that the growth, okay, it's easy to mistake and say that the growth is 4. Okay, but is it? Okay, well, if we're growing by 4, that means the x should grow by 1, but it looks like it's actually growing by 2. Okay, so I need to think, okay, if it's growing by 2, if the input's increasing by 2, and it increases by 4, how much would the y increase by if the x is increasing by 1? So let's actually kind of imagine that. So it looks like if we go over 2, okay, it's going to increase by 4. Okay, so that means if we go over by 1, the y, or the output, should only increase by half the amount, or 2. Okay, so the growth is not 4. The growth is actually 2. Okay, so if the growth is 2, okay, we need to figure out, okay, what's the starting value at x equals 0? What's y? Okay, well, at x is 0, that's in between -1 and 1. In other words, if we increase the input by 1 here, we need to increase the output by 2. So the output, or if we had a input of 0, okay, the output, we would add 2, so we'll have -1. Okay, so we know that the m, or the growth, is 2. The y-intercept, or starting value, is what? Is -1. Okay, so if we have y equals mx plus b, we're on y equals 2x plus -1, or 2x minus 1.